Little Learning Stars B, Pre-Kindy, Unit 8, Lessons 1 and 2. Shapes Review. Circle, circle. Square, square. Triangle, triangle. Rectangle, rectangle. Diamond, diamond. Colors Review. Red, it's red. Yellow, it's yellow. Green, it's green. Blue, it's blue. White, it's white. Black, it's black. Bedroom, bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. Bathroom, bathroom. This is a bathroom. This is a bathroom. Kitchen, kitchen. This is a kitchen. This is a kitchen. Living room, living room. This is a living room. Great job! Goodbye!